Hello everyone, and today I will show you the new product, wireless cooling system TD164. This is the menu, and this is the charging base for the pagers, and 10 pagers, the antenna transmitter, the Type-C charging cable, and this is the adapter. For this adapter, it's special. You can press this to remove this one. So if you want to change it later, it's very easy. And now let's see the keypad. For the keypad, it's touchable. And here is the LED. So after you power on, you can see it will light here. And this is for antenna. This is for charging the pagers, which means you can charge 20 in total, and so that way you don't need to use too many adapters. And this is for the adapter, and you can see the design. This is very thin and it's very fashion, and you will like it. And for the charging base, and this is the charging cable you can use and charge the pagers through the transmitter, and also you can connect the adapter directly. So if you want to put the pagers and the transmitter separately, you can also buy another charging adapter, will be fine. And this is the pager. You can see it's very small and hand-holded, and this is for the number LED, and this is the cancel key. So when customer receive a call, they don't have to return to the front and put it back, and they can only press this one to cancel the key. It's very convenient. In addition, the pager has the built-in 300 milliampere battery, so it can last for 10 more hours, and so you can use it the whole day, and that's no problem. And besides, for this item, it's also support 998 pagers in total, so you can add more pagers if you need. You just buy 10 pagers, and with one charging base will be fine. Besides, this is also a long-range system. The range is about 800 meters in the open area, so if you need a long range, this is a good product for you as well. By the way, it has 2 notice mode, and also the notice time is 30 seconds. And that's it. If you also have any other questions, feel free to contact us by email, the support@retekess.com, and also visit our website www.retekess.com for more information. Thank you so much.